swimming, but not.
You can't swim with your boat. Push it around a little bit. I mean, drive it a little bit. That's awesome. What about the wakeboards it comes with?
Oh, those are inside.
Want me to go get them?
No.
Why?
It's okay. Look.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I mean, always get extra Fireball, you know that.
Look at that swirl that is there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I didn't charge it all the way. So if it dies in here, that's... See, it's not stopping sometimes?
Yeah, no, you could tell it's losing its charge. Well, why don't we get it out, make sure... It is cool. You're driving it towards you? That's awesome, Ty. That is cool.
Let's try it. Whoa.
That's awesome. Yeah, put it in one more time. Go ahead. Steer it. You can back it up, too?
Yep.
That's awesome. Oh!
What? Look! I'm just going forward. And it's doing it.
Huh. Maybe you need to turn it the other way.
It just died.
Uh-oh. We're going to have to get the skimmer to get it out. Thank God it's not... Imagine taking it to the middle of a lake.
Oh, God.
Wouldn't that be scary? You'd be afraid you were going to lose it. Remember Unspeakable's boat went under?
Oh, yeah. No. Ooh.
He's like, what? Him and Gabe were like, what, did you see that? Did you see that? And then they told James almost caught that fish. Well, James, yeah, he almost caught the big one, and it got away. And they're like, maybe it was your fish. What? What do you mean? I don't know. But I think he's good for kids. He's a good YouTuber for kids. Wow, that is so cool. All right, don't break it. That's not bad. That is not bad. At Target for how much? How much at Target? Tyler, how much at Target?
20.
That's it?
29.
29?
Yeah, it was pretty a lot.
That's not a lot. Dude, don't get water in it. Remember they said it could get ruined if you get water inside.
Oh, yeah. Let me try the back.
We've read the instructions.
Oh, crap. It's controlling itself.
It is? Nuh-uh, you're doing it.
A little bit. Only
You
one.
got water in it. You can't mess around and tip it this way and that way and stuff. Ugh.
Is it heavier?
I don't know. I didn't feel it before. All right.
Wait,
What's this thing? You want to always keep it this way so the water drips out. What's this lock? See that lock? No, I don't think it...
That's to lock the motor
No,
right there.
stop. I have a bad feeling you're going to get water in it by moving around too much. Go ahead. It steered itself, you said?
Look. Watch. And look at the boat.
Oh, yeah, because you didn't unsteer it yet. You got to turn the other way a little bit. It probably turns one way or the other.
I mean...
Does it only turn one way? Oh, no. There you go.
Look.
No, you're doing
And
it.
then watch.
Yeah, because it doesn't go straight. It either goes one way or the other. You either have to go one way or the other. Yeah, you didn't even charge it all the way. That's lasting on a pretty good charge. That is really cool.
Look at those swirls.
Now you need to get the wakeboard and have them pull the wakeboard. Right? We need to put a little man on there too. Okay? Let's do that, alright?
Pulling up.
Okay. Grab him.
That's so cool.
Okay, you love it.
Wait, I'm gonna burn out.
Now wait, let's go get him a little man. Don't get water in it.
Yeah.
That was cool. He's messing with the aquabot. Oh my gosh, imagine if you crashed into the filter.
Wait, I'm gonna do that. You give me an idea. I can back up.
Okay.
It's fine.
Trying to get it into the filter. Oh, ha ha! Wasn't that always your biggest fear when you were little?
Yeah,
getting sucked in.
Put my whole hand in it.
Yeah. Well, you're older now. You know it's not going to hurt you. Wow, that's not a bad boat at all.
Going up to the party.
Mm-hmm. Wow, Ty, that's good controlling, dude. I like it. Oh, peel it. Yeah, buddy. You need to charge it more, and then it'll really peel out. Mm-hmm. That is so cool. All right, want me to go get a little SpongeBob? SpongeBob can drive it. It's boating school. SpongeBob's boating school project. How about that? All right, I'll be right back. I don't want to stop recording you though. I'll record you again, okay? I did 6 minutes and 37, 8, 9, 10, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and done.